Hi digital scrapper friends, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy you stopped by. I'm Lydia from LS Creative Scrapbook Designs. In my recent video, 3 Kids 3 Ways, I shared my layouts and mentioned that I would show you how to create circular text that wraps nicely around an image. It's actually easier than you might think. If you'd like to check out the full layout video, you'll find a link in the description below. So, get comfy, grab your favorite drink. I've got my tea ready here, and let's jump right in. First, create a new document that is 4 by 4 inches with a 300 pixels per inch resolution with a white background. In the toolbar, select the Ellipse tool. You will find it nested with the Rectangle tool. In the tool options at the top, set the tool mode to Shape. For the fill color, choose None. The color doesn't really matter here since we're just creating the path. And since I'm going to draw the circle freehand, I will leave the width and the height at 0 pixel. Also make sure Align Edges is checked. Now on your document, press and hold the Shift key while you click and drag your mouse or pen tablet to create a perfect circle. A little tip here, if you press the space bar while still holding the Shift key and dragging, you can move the shape around and position it in the center as you create it, and then release. Select the Horizontal Type tool. In the tool options at the top, choose the font you'd like to use. For this example, I'm using American Typewriter with the condensed bold style. And choose the text color you like. And here, I will set the font size to 14 point and click the left align text icon. On your document, hover your cursor or pen tablet over the path until you see the wavy line cursor appear right on the path, like this. And so click once and start typing. For this example, I will just type, write your text here. Just have fun and type anything you like. And then just click the check mark to commit. Now, if you see a gap at the end of your sentence like this, you can adjust the size of your text. You can try increasing the font size. I will try to increase it like 15 point. Yeah, so that works like that. And here is a fun twist. In the toolbar, select the Path Selection tool. It is just right under the text tool right here. This tool lets you move and adjust your text along the path. Hover your cursor near the path and wait until the cursor icon changes. When it does, you can click and drag to reposition your text around the circle. If you want your text to appear inside the circle, simply click and drag the text inside the shape like that. And you can see, as you can see, you can move it like that. And now your text will wrap along the inside of the circle. And if you want to put it back, just click and drag to outside of the circle, just like that. Now I'm going to show you how to create wavy text on a path, like this one over here. And so I have already created this banner, and now I'm going to add a text to it. To do that, select the pen tool. Click once inside the banner to create your first anchor point, and then click again in another spot to add the next anchor point. I'll put it right here. I'm placing mine here because it will give me a nice smooth curve. And before you release your mouse, drag downward to create the curve. Add another anchor point where you'd like your next curve to begin. I'll put it right here. And then place the final anchor point here. And this time I'll drag it slightly up to create another nice curve. Just like that. All right. So if you need to adjust the shape of your path, hold down the Control key, Mac Command key, and use your mouse or pen tablet to click and move the anchor points as needed. It's like this one. I think I'm going to move it right there. And this one, I'll move it slightly right there. Just like that. Okay. Now, grab the horizontal type tool. Choose any font you like and set the size that is perfect for your project. And I'm going to click on the left align text icon over here. Now, on the document, hover your cursor over the path. When you see the wavy line cursor appear, like that, click once and start typing. And I'm going to write anything you like. Just like before, if you need to move the text slightly, you can use the path selection tool. So I will do that. And remember to always watch for the cursor to change before moving your text along the path. So I'm going to move it slightly to the left, just like that. And that's it for today, my friend. I hope you had as much fun hanging out with me as I did with you. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to check out some of my other ones too. And if this was helpful, it would mean the world to me if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed. If you have any questions or if you just want to say hi, I'd really love to hear from you. Feel free to leave me a comment anytime. Thanks so much for spending a little part of your day with me. Wishing you a lovely, wonderful day. And as always, keep on scrapping.